was your session with Imran sir?
So it was great, sir. Actually, it was a very technical subject, and Imran sir has explained it in a very, very nice way and in an easy way also. We got the in-depth knowledge of the subject, and also sir has showed us the photographs of actual problems that are faced at site, and also explained in a very nice way how to deal with them, and also regarding the live workshop of waterproofing that today we had, um, actually this helped us how the waterproofing is done exactly at site practically, how is it done, because in the session we had we got a good theoretical knowledge, and also we could be able to see it live. That was really great. I actually enjoyed that live workshop. I would actually like to thank IDA for arranging such beautiful workshops, and also I am a part of the upcoming workshops. And really, thank you, a big thank you to Imran sir and I.